Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annabelle. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
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 Cupcake good? Oh man.
Is he gonna take some pictures of my camera?
Hi, BB.
Did Mama make you cupcakes for your birthday? Yummy. Oh, I love my baby. Annabelle. Annabelle. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Annabelle, look at Mama. Here's my girl.
Daddy loves you.
See, if we had better lighting, we wouldn't have to use the flash.
Is it flashing?
Isn't
Oh,
it?
red eye thing's coming on.
It's flashing, I like, isn't it? Oh no, it's not.
Yeah.
Are they turning out okay, or are they turning out blurry? I had a really hard time. They kept turning out blurry. What? You're not focusing on them.
Say, I got the good stuff, Daddy. I got the good stuff on. Hey, you can eat the rest. I got the good stuff. Get that big piece on your hand there. Get it.
It's like a booger.
You got cake all over your face.
No,
You got cake all over your face.
I should have undressed you. Such a ham.
Oh, that one turned out blurry.
You're gonna have to turn on the flash if you want a clear one. Smile! Annabelle!
Ninners.
Annabelle, smile!
That's right, Daddy.
See what my camera's doing though?
Yeah.
Is it messing up on you?
Yeah, it doesn't want to focus on there.
Yeah. Well, mine... the image will jump in the... Is the image jumping in the viewfinder?
Well, the little red lights for the, I guess it's the focal point. What was that?
Her going, ah!
Do it again. There you go. That's a good one. You're gonna be seeing stars for a week, kid.
Such a ham. Why don't you eat some of the cupcake? Yummy. Oh, not the couch. Stay away from the couch. You got all this frosting here left. Look at that.
Good
Mmm.
frosting. Good frosting.
Mmm. You look like baby Santa Claus. With that beard of frosting you got going on. Cheese. Cheese.
Oh.
Say, Cousin Collier got me sick. Good job. Good job. Such a ham. Are you done? Are you gonna be a frosting only kind of kid? Oh, excuse me. I should have done that on video. You want me to have some? You want to look at yourself? There you are. Is that the grand finale? No, you can't touch it. Annabelle. Is that Annabelle? You see yourself? That's you. That's you. Are you finished?
Who's that? Who's that? That Nanners.
We gotta just take you out of that and put you straight into the bathtub.
There's Nanners and Daddy. Hey, hi, Nanners. Look there. Hey. Well, happy birthday, baby. 1 year old. 1 year old.
The big one.
1 year old.
Oh, don't get it in your eye.
Oh, put it on Daddy, yes. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Did you just give your cupcake to Roxy? Yeah. Okay, are we... Oops, I wasn't even recording you. Are we going to sign off? Are you done?
See you later, alligator.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Happy birthday, Annabelle.
Bye-bye.